Hello guys, in this video we will see about the flow of this journal entries in case of issue of shares. Okay, this is a very short video. So I just wanted to tell you that this is your flow chart. Okay, from this flow chart you can see here. Okay, first there will be share application, after that share allotment, then after that we have share first call and share final call. In some cases, this first call and final call can be combined together, okay, to form share first and final call, okay. So at that point of time, there will be only three transactions, that is application, allotment, and this first call and final call. But if the first call and final call are separated, then you can have this separately. Again, there can be like share first call, share second call, and final call, that is your third call also. Okay, it can be the cases. Okay, the cases can be very like varying. Okay, from different uh, question to question. Okay, so these are normally the general things. Okay, so first we will have share application, after that share allotment, after that share first call, after that we have share final call. Now uh, each entry, like sorry, each transaction has two entries here. Okay, so first we will see the entry for share application. So the first entry for share application will be bank account debit to share application. Okay, so once we actually receive the amount of shares that have been issued in the market, okay, we issue the number of shares, and the public, when they apply for the number of shares or when they purchase the number of shares, we receive the money. Okay, hence the bank account will be debited, following the golden rule of real account: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay, so this is your first entry. Okay, you can see here bank account debit to share application account. And once we finish this first entry, this share application account, okay, this money that has been received now should be transferred to equity share capital account. Okay, be it equity share capital or preference share capital, we have to transfer the amount. Okay, so first entry bank account debit to share application, after that share application account debit to equity share capital account. Okay, so you need to learn these entries. Okay, so after that we have a share allotment. Okay, so its entry will be share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. And after that we here what is happening here is that actually the allotment money is being due. Okay, so allotment money will be due here, and we will receive the amount of money, that is bank account debit to share allotment account. Okay, and after that we have share first call and final call. Similarly, like first call money will be due and the money will be received here. Again, the money will be due and money will be received here. Okay, so if you see closely here, what happens is that from this allotment, okay, not only this, sorry, not this application, but from allotment, first call and final call, what happens is that the firstly this equity share capital account will be credited first. Okay, then bank account will appear. Okay, but in application, what happens is that the bank will be in the beginning. Okay, bank will be at the first, and then the equity share capital will be uh, credited second. Okay, so these are actually your things you need to understand the flow of entry. Maybe in picture you didn't understand well, so here in the word file, okay, which I have sent you, so you can see it properly. Okay, so first entry will be your share application. Okay, uh, and each transaction, it has two entries. Okay, remember that. So share application will have two entries. Okay, share allotment will have again two entries. Okay, share first call will have two entries, and share final call can have two entries. Now here's a point: whenever there is calls in arrear, okay, by calls in arrear we mean actually the amount that has been sorry, that was due but was not paid. Okay, and by calls in advance we mean the amount which is not due but has been paid in advance. Okay, that is your calls in arrear and calls in advance. So we will see those entries also. Okay, so the calls in arrear will actually arrive here. Okay, they actually will come here. Okay, so like whenever you can see here, whenever any money is due, okay, in terms of allotment, first call or final call, okay, when the money was due, okay, we will not write the entry here, But when the money is to be received, okay, when the money will be received for allotment, share first call or final call, when the money will be received, at that point of time, you can see the calls in arrear as well as calls in advance. But in case of your share application, there will be no calls in arrear. Okay, yeah, you can have calls in advance in terms of share application, but there can be no chance of having calls in arrear. Okay, so we will see these, calls in arrear and calls in advance later. Okay.